So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to share on how to grind the exhaust valve seat. As you can see guys, the first thing we have to do is to center the valve seat into the grinding machine. So before guys, we need to put the dial gauge micrometer. So the maximum deflection of this is 0.02. So as you can see guys, I already checked the situation, the condition of this valve seat. As you can see guys, in this device we need to measure first whether the seat is already in the limit or it is within limit. So as you can see guys, this is the angle of the cutting of the valve seat. This 30 is for the valve spindle and 29 degrees is for the valve seat. So this is the dip of the cut guys. So first of all guys, we have to read the instruction book on how to properly operate this. So in this video guys, you will learn on how to properly grind the exhaust valve seat. So the seat must be assessed first whether it has to be grind. In this situation of the valve seat guys, it is need to be grinded since the dents and the scratches damages of this seat is more than 3mm. So in this case I have to grind it using the grinding exhaust valve grinding machine. So as you can see guys, I already checked the deflection of this. So you can see this is 0.03 or 0.02. Maximum is 0.02, but this is still good guys, within 0.032. So this is the adjustment where you can make the centering. These 3 bolts guys. So this machine is for valve seat and for valve spindle. So I'm using the dial gauge micrometer first to make it center and set the deflection less than at about 0.02 to 0.04 guys, because in some cases you cannot take exactly how much the deflection. You need to find spot that you can make the actual deflection guys. So in this machine there is stipulated instructions here that you need to read first before operating the exhaust valve grinding machine. So this is the wheel, this is the for the valve, and for the seat this is the knob. So as you can see guys, now I'm already starting to grind. So that's the for the grinding wheel guys. So the dip of the cut of this is 0.005, and for the finishing and for the roughing is 0.01. That's the dip of the cut guys. So first I have to make it 0.01mm for roughing guys. You should not exceed on that dip of the cut guys, otherwise it will overheat the cutting, the grinding stone, and it will give a rough surface on the valve seat. So the very important thing here, guys, is to center first, to centering, to make it center, so that we can grind it evenly. As you notice, guys, now it's already started grinding, and it is cutting at 0.01 millimeter, guys. So the adjustment is here. So as you can see, the down and up position, this is the dip of the cut, and there is a lock bolt also to prevent it from moving. So the revolution of the cut, guys, as you can see, guys, in every 6 turns of the valve seat, you need to make 1 turn of the grinding wheel. So that's the ratio to achieve a proper cutting of the grinding wheel against the exhaust valve seat. So in case, guys, if the exhaust valve seat or the valve spindle has only small dents and considerable scratches, so it is recommended not to grind using the grinding wheel or the exhaust grinding machine. Otherwise, you can use only by lapping using the grinding compound, guys, to grind the exhaust valve spindle against to its seat using the grinding compound. In my other video, guys, I will show to you on how to manually grind the traditional way of grinding of this exhaust valve seat and the spindle, if we don't have any in some vessels that no any grinding machine for the exhaust valve and the valve seat. The traditional way, guys, I will show you and will upload in my other video. So in this case, guys, as you can see, I'm following the 6 turns of the valve seat and 1 turn of the grinding wheel to achieve a better cut. As you can see, guys, just make it gradually and observe the cut of the grinding wheel. So for grinding of this, guys, you need to be patient, and you need more time to get to achieve a good quality of work. So I'm doing this job for about 3 to 4 hours to make it centering. All in all, about 2 to 3 hours like that, guys, because it's very important to achieve the specified deflection before cutting or before grinding the exhaust valve seat. So you need to be patient, guys, so you can achieve the good quality of work. And for the exhaust valve spindle, I will upload a separate video, guys. As you can see, it's already done, and this is the finished product of our grinding of exhaust valve seat, guys. As you can see, guys, it's very shiny and plain. And the exhaust valve spindle also, guys, has to be grind, and they must be seated exactly and fitted firmly with the exhaust valve seat. So until here, guys, I hope you learned something about this video, and for more marine engineering videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is JB23 vlog. Keep safe, everyone. Bye bye.